Okay, we got the mouse set how we want it, all taken out. What we got to do now is we have to take some out in here so our spring won't catch when we put it in there. We'll also have to take some out in here when we drill our eye hole. So we'll take this out now, get some of that out. And then on the back of the head, so our string doesn't catch, we have to take some out in here and down through here. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you got any questions or comments, put it in my comment section. I'll get back with you. We'll use our Dremel tool here for this. So you can see how we're grooving this out. So we're going to take some out in through here and down in here and groove it deeper here. And then for the back of the head, the back of the head, so you can see in there how we're going to take this out. So we're going to get this taken out and then we'll come back with our next step. Thanks for watching.